Inner join and left join look simple, but in production, choosing the wrong one can silently break reports. Let me show you real examples. In real systems, wrong joins don't throw errors. They return wrong data, and that's much more dangerous. Assume two production tables, customers and orders. This is a very common real-world setup. So here we have two tables, customers having customer ID and name column, and orders having order ID, customer ID and amount column. Now, this is a standard inner join. It only returns rows where a matching order exists. But here's the problem. Customers without orders completely disappear. This is a very common reporting mistake. Let's have a look at inner join result. See here, the customer ID 4, which was Neha, is missing. Now look at left join. It keeps all customers even if they never placed an order. So let's have a look at the left join result. See here, the customer ID 4, which was Neha and was missing from the inner join result, is present in the left join, though the amount is null because Neha never placed an order. And this is usually what business teams want, complete data, not filtered data. I have seen this in production. Marketing asked for total customers, but inner join removed customers without orders. Performance is not about inner versus left. It's about correct logic and execution plans. Always choose joins based on business requirements, not assumptions. If this video helped you to understand inner versus left join from real-world example point of view, like the video. Subscribe to Data with Kaushal for real-world SQL and data engineering lessons. Till then, goodbye and take care.